Hey y'all, I'm Amanda. Before we get started, I'd like to say thank you to all of you who have served and to those who currently serve our great country. Thank you for your courage, dedication, and hard work. I get asked quite a bit how I customize and style my 9-line shirt, so I figured I'd make a quick tutorial and give y'all some ideas. Most of the time, I will just tie up my shirt in the front or in the back. It's great for when you're going to the gym, you want to do something outdoors, or you just want to give your outfit a more stylish look. All you need is a little hair tie. This is how you do it. Take my shirt, gather it in the back, pull it up in the front, give it a few twists, and then I twist it around the knot. You take your hair tie, tie it around a few times, and boom, it's tied up in the front. You can also do this in the back or if you'd like on the side. Now, let's say Granny gifted you the coolest 9-line shirt, but it's a little bit too big. Don't worry, I got you. All you need is your 9-line shirt and a pair of shears. Most of the time, I like to cut just the sleeves off. So what I do is I take my shears and I will start cutting behind the seam. So you just take your shirt and you just start slowly cutting behind the seam in a line straight up. And that's one side. And you do the same on the other side. Now what you can do is if you want to make sure the sides are even, you can take this and fold it over so that way it will be even once you go to cut. Take your shears and you cut the other side as well. And you can cut as little or as much off as you'd like. If you want to, you can also cut the bottom off to make it a crop. So I'll just show you how I would crop the bottoms off of my shirt. So I will usually just take about 3 to 5 inches depending on how big the shirt is. So I'll just start here. And like I said, if you don't get it short enough the first time, you can do it another time or try it on, see how it looks, keep cutting. Now you have a crop top, tank top, all in one, new 9-line shirt, ready to go, ready to wear to the family barbecue. Now Granny is going to be smiling when you show up to the family barbecue rocking the shirt she bought for you. If you're worried about how well the shirt will hold up after you cut it, then this is a great example. I purchased this shirt 5 years ago, cut it, customized it, and it's been through a heck of a lot, and it's still in great shape. Thank you so much for watching, and have fun customizing your 9-line shirts. We'll see you next time.